gotta put that right there. That one, and this one's a 2 right here, see? Hey, y'all, shout out to Mr. Glover. Hey, I don't know, yeah. And hey, cheers to a good day. Cheers to y'all, cheers to you, cheers to you. And we'll see you on the next one, man. We got the AC in. Are you a happy man, Mr. Glover? No. Okay, well, see, that's what we're hoping our next customer says too. I'll see y'all later. As long as y'all happy, we happy. Howdy. Good Thursday morning to you guys. Today, we are doing the Handyman Special. It's good to see everybody. It's actually Friday, and I haven't worked in 7 dang days. Anyway, man, hey, who knows what we're gonna get into today? It's good to see you, man. God bless you. I love you. I ain't mad at you. He ain't mad at you. So, TGIF. Let's see if we can make a video out of today. So today is just kind of it's Friday, hallelujah, and we're just buttoning up on stuff, and Mr. Glover's AC's gone out, so we're trying to come up with a strategy on how to fix it. While he's in there, or however while he's in there, we're going to fix some stuff. Finally put that piece in there. I'm gonna fill this gap in 3/4 of an inch. I know, Robert, you should have had a table saw, man. You need the right tool for the right, well, hey, you know, I don't forgot about this piece, and table saws at the house, Paul. Just get the job. Ow, none. Don't try this at home, guys. Put all the tools. Hallelujah. You look like a clown to me. Alright. Carpenter. Put this stuff down. On the road again. Going to Lowe's. Welcome to Lowe's. What it is. There it is, fit in your truck, Mr. Glover. Fit in your truck.
Oh, don't go back down to the truck.
Man. Alright. There you go. And that's right. And all over the flowers. Can I get a haul? Yeah. Haul. Yes. Now we gotta put this here, right there. This is a 220 plug. Okay. So that's the way I found out to run it. Oh well, I want that plug right there somewhere. As y'all fixing to find out. Anyway, guys, let's go. So far, it's coming apart together. I mean, one piece at a time. Oh yeah, that's what we want. Just like that. Just peel them on apart like that, nice and easy. You ain't in no hurry. Y'all slow your roll. And I'm not taking the seal out. So worst case scenario is I'll bring this multi-tool cutter right there and cut the bottom, and then you'll never see that because the piece of trim is gonna be there anyway. Oh man. Very seldom a plan comes together, but when it does, you give him a kiss anyway. Brother, you're kissing asbestos. Boy, though, y'all thought I was playing, didn't you? Alright, let's go see what these breakers. All I'm gonna do is run the wire on the outside and run it and just hide it instead of having, because there's not really anything you can do on the inside without, nah. Alright, now we got 1, 2, 3, 4 traces out there. That's good. And then I pulled this one. Pull them out like that. Do not touch that. Ooh, look at the blackberries though. You know Rob's a connoisseur. See, boy, if they're there, we're gonna spot them. Look at them big boy right there. Boy, though, that's lunch, huh? Man. Woo. Yeah, you know why? Country style? They make me some moonshine. I mean some blackberry wine. Blackberry smoother than blackberry wine. Country style. I got to go. Got to. Alright, let's go ahead and start feeding water, boys. Stuff, big boy stuff. Alright, so I already hooked my ground up in there. If you touch that, it's going to be big trouble. So we don't touch that. This is why I don't get paid the big bucks, but this is why we should, and we will, get paid the big bucks. Alright. Off. Well, what we'll do, we're going to wait a second. We're going to go hook the front end, the inside up. Alright. So let's see if we can get this fixed up. Everything else seems to be temporarily done. Power on. It up. Bring it up. I gotta fix it, but damn, we are about done for the day. The air conditioning is cool. We'll come back and make it all pretty Monday. That insulation all over you, boy. Yeah, that's good. You gotta put that right there. That one in this one too, right here. Hey, y'all, shout out to Mr. Glover. Hey, I don't know, yeah. And hey, cheers to a good day. Cheers to y'all, cheers to you, cheers to you. And we'll see you on the next one, man. We got the AC in. Are you a happy man, Mr. Glover? No. Okay, well, see, that's what we're hoping our next customer says too. I'll see y'all later. As long as y'all happy, we happy.